Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So something huge just happened in the camera world, and it looks like we'll finally have a perfect camera for vloggers and YouTube content creators. And that camera is from Olympus. It's the OMD E-M5 Mark III. Now, I myself use the Panasonic G85, and for me, this is almost the perfect camera except for one huge thing, and that is autofocus. So this is a problem with pretty much all of the Panasonic cameras because they use this contrast-based autofocus system, and all the other manufacturers, whether it's Sony, Canon, Nikon, Fuji, they're always missing something where they don't give you the complete package. But it looks like Olympus is about to deliver, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. Okay, so let's take a look at the OMD E-M5 Mark III. So this is the silver design version, and it looks very similar to the previous Mark II. And as we go down further, we're going to look at some of the main features. The first one is the 5-axis in-body image stabilization. And as far as I know, Olympus has the best stabilization, even better than Panasonic. And next up is the biggest feature, which I'm most excited about, and that is the 121 cross-type phase detection autofocus points. And then after that, this camera can capture 4K at 30 or 24 frames per second. And as we go down further, since this is a micro four thirds camera, it will be small and portable. And in terms of the sensor, it uses the same 20.4 megapixel sensor that was in the previous one. And then it's also weather sealed, which is another big plus, and it's the same as my Panasonic G85. And going down further, looking at all the other details, these I've already talked about. But it also has a 2.36 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder, so you can expect really clear images through your viewfinder. And then another huge feature is it still includes the Flippy Screen. This is a 3.0 vari-angle touch LCD. I am so glad Olympus kept this because them and Panasonic, they're one of the few camera manufacturers that still give you a fully articulating Flippy Screen, which is perfect for all the vloggers and YouTube content creators out there. I don't know why all these other manufacturers don't do it, but Olympus has done it here. Other things, we have 10 frames per second, 30 frames per second, and we have a flat picture profile and 30 frames per second in solid electronic shutter mode. For fast website hosting and top-notch customer service and features, check out Siteground, the preferred service used at GeekOutdoors.com. For more information, check out the affiliate link in the description area below. All of this together makes this, for me, the perfect camera. Whether you are a vlogger, a YouTube content creator, or just somebody who wants to get into the whole world of cameras, I really don't think there is a better camera at this moment because Olympus is giving you everything that all the other manufacturers are not. And in terms of the price, it is $1,200. And so for that much, you get the body by itself, either the black color or the silver trim. And then if you pay $1,500, you could get this with a kit lens. And so all of these things together makes me super excited. And whenever this starts shipping on November 21st, I am positive I'm going to pick this up because this has everything that I've always wanted in a camera. And with that autofocus, it gives me the one thing that my Panasonic G85 doesn't. And I really feel that with all the features that it has available, this will be a camera that will last for a long time. About the only thing that I was kind of waiting on was the announcement of the Panasonic GH6. So I was hoping they're going to give us a brand new autofocus. But honestly, I don't think that's going to happen. And if they did, I don't know if I'm going to wait that long. So I'm probably definitely going to pick this one up. This is everything that I want. And I'm not going to sell my Panasonic G85. I'm just going to go ahead and pick this up. And so I have two cameras, one that does everything I need and one that does 99% of what I need except for the autofocus. And so if you actually had any thoughts on this OMD E-M5 Mark III, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. And if you wanted to see my camera tutorial, reviews, and news playlist, I will also leave that in the description as well. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators Group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators Group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to geekoutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.